Let's learn ABC with me.
A is for apple, apple. B is for bow, bow. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for juice, juice. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, M, monkey. N is for nest, N, nest. O is for owl, owl. P is for pen, P, pen. Q is for queen, Q, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, S, sun. T is for train, T, train. U is for umbrella, U, umbrella. V is for van, V, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for xylophone, X, xylophone. Y is for yak, Y, yak. Z is for zebra, Z, zebra.